Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to do an online check-in in Frontier Airlines. So first, head on to your web browser and search up for Frontier Airlines. Once you're done, click on the first link that will pop up and then click on My Trip/check-in and then enter your last name and then your confirmation code. So to find your confirmation code, what you want to do is your Frontier trip confirmation number is 6 characters and is a combination of letters and numbers. An example of a confirmation code is fly123. You can find your code in the top right corner of your reservation confirmation email. So once you have done purchasing a ticket, you can see your confirmation code in your email. And then once you've got your confirmation code, just enter it right here and search for your flight. And then from there, you can now do an online check-in. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to do an online check-in on Frontier Airlines. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.